In 1985, when Wenzel brought a CNC metal spinning machine from West Germany, it was the first CNC metal spinning machine in the United States. Wenzel was first to utilize automated metal spinning, and since that day, Wenzel has continued to lead the metal spinning industry in automation and technology. Wenzel's fleet of CNC metal spinning machines continues to grow and plays a large part in Wenzel's industry-leading capacity, but so does Wenzel's automation in material handling and sheet processing. Wenzel's material handling is unmatched. We have a 10,000 kilowatt fiber sheet laser which processes over 30,000 pounds of metal every day. This flat sheet laser works in unity with front end and exit end automation. The front end automation robotically picks sheets from a 120-ton cassette magazine, directly loading the sheet onto the laser. The exit end programming allows robotic arms to grab the laser cut blanks, sorting and stacking them on the skids, ready to spin. After the blanks are spun either by hand or on a CNC lathe, the laser cutting continues with many jobs and parts being finished by a multi-axis laser cutter. The 5-axis laser, also known as a 3D laser cutter, replaces multiple operations and finishes spun parts by burning holes in asymmetrical shapes. The dual bay multi-axis laser enclosure is configured for production and can run multiple cutting operations and robotic laser welding operations in the same cycle. The same drive that led to the acquisition of the 3D laser is the exact same drive that led Wenzel to acquire that first CNC lathe all those years ago. It's the knowledge that the best tools in the hands of the best people will yield the best results. This knowledge allows Wenzel to keep pushing the progress and go bigger.